loud noise from outdoor unit, inverter AC. Certain features of inverter AC can generate noise from outdoor unit. As an inverter compressor is embedded in outdoor unit to improve the performance of AC. It accelerates RPM of compressor motor depending on ambient temperature to make cool air flow out constantly. Therefore, it can generate louder noise and vibration than general ones. This noise is not caused by failure, so it is safe to use. However, if the supportive outdoor unit and ground surface fail to maintain level, loud noise and vibration can be generated and heard. Turn off AC, disconnect the power supply and check its levelness. If it is tilted, adjust the levelness with rubber pad or milk carton, then noise will decreases. Thank you.